Hey everyone, this is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brian Padmich. Quick afternoon update on the weather. Things are looking really good today. I'm actually going to start lowering the rain chances to about 20%, if that. We've got some dry air that's made it into the region. If you look closely, we've got a little bit of a front kind of sitting roughly right in here somewhere and moving south. So there's some much drier air coming in, really starting to affect the area. So we're getting some dry air coming in like this, and it's really allowing for some really nice dry air to be moving into the region. It's all coming in this general direction, and temperatures are only in the upper 70s to low 80s right now here at about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But I think that the treat of all this is when you look at the dew point temperatures. I'm going to switch over to the dew points here, and you'll see that the dew points are actually doing even lower. They're generally in the lower 60s and even a few spots like in Lincolnton and Concord in the 50s. So you can see the warm, muggy air has shifted down to the Midlands of South Carolina, and we've got some pretty dry air. Now, the one little monkey wrench in all this, you probably can see right up to the north there, is this little band of showers along what seems to be a little trough of some kind right in this vicinity here. Let me grab a better tool than that one to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. It appears to be some kind of, I don't want to call the front because it just doesn't look like much more than just a little trough that's coming down. So the mountains, especially in this area, even though there's very low dew points, I wouldn't be shocked to see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm this afternoon. The chances are pretty minimal. In fact, if I start looking at some of the surface-based CAPE that we talk about quite a bit, I'll throw that up here, and you can see there is not much CAPE to work with, especially east of the mountains. So if we see anything, it's going to be developing maybe up through the Virginia border down towards Boone, Blowing Rock area as we go into the afternoon, late afternoon, early evening hours. But really, overall, you could not ask for a better afternoon with temperatures nice and mild for the middle to end of June in the low 80s, and dew points only in the low 60s, and in some locations the upper 50s. Of course, I'll be tracking any storms that do develop, and we'll start talking about the heat and the humidity making a little bit of a comeback here as we go into the weekend, starting today at 4 on NBC Charlotte. I'll see you then.